What is going on, and good morning, guys. It feels good to be back, let me tell you. Minus this weather, I could say. I was in Myrtle Beach the last week for a baseball tournament through college. Our season is canned, so that's great, I love that. Yeah, so it's been a little bit weird. It's been a while since I've actually came on here and talked to you guys at all. But a lot has gone down. A lot has been missed in between the videos, I guess. So where we ended the last video was we fixed my license plate lights that had melted. We tried to fix the sway bar links, but they were the wrong ones. I reached out to the company. They're being assholes about it, and they're not going to send me new ones. So I'm going to have to go through Amazon and complain to them about their rules and whatever else, because it is falsely advertised as fitting my truck. But yeah, with that being said, we also went out. I mentioned a little bit at the very end of the video that we were going to go get a tuner, and we actually did. We went and we got it. The guy told me it was unlocked, it was going to work, blah, blah, blah. We met the guy at a car meet that we go to down in the city. You guys know Lower Wacker. And, yeah, I got it for a decent price, but it was locked like I had a feeling it would be. So I've been talking to Power Hungry Performance, which is a big company for our trucks specifically. I paid them, they unlocked it, and then I went to go use it actually just yesterday because this all happened while I was gone. But, yeah, it was not working. It was still locked. Well, it wasn't locked. I unlocked it, but the first tune, I tried to put it on the base, or like the economy tune, and the truck wouldn't start. So I reached out to the company. They had me do a little thing. I sent them files over, and they're going to look at it and see what's wrong with it. Hopefully they get back to me pretty shortly here, and then we have an answer. Actually, right now, what I've been doing for the last couple days since I've been back is sealing the new fog lights that we had, because I purchased new ones, and they are going to look really good. We pulled the pods out in the last video. I didn't really show you guys that too much. They're sitting over here in the graveyard of parts, sitting right in there. So yeah, we have brand new fog lights. We went ahead and we've thrown a couple layers of sealant around them to make sure that we do not run into the problem that we ran into with the last ones. And I have lens tint, which we are about to go do right now. I'm going to take you guys inside, and you guys are going to come with me for that. So we're going to be tinting it a little bit just to make it look really nice, because it'll match kind of the theme, the black and whatever else, because if they were just silver and they stuck out like a sore thumb that way. So yeah, we have LEDs for that, and then we might be going to the hardware store to pick up some bolts to mount the bracket to the bumper, because I'm missing those bolts. So I'm gonna go over there and we're gonna check out what kind of bolts we need for that, and then we'll see where we're gonna go from there. So here is our setup, our fog lights. We're gonna bring these over here to get sprayed. Right here, our video is still rendering over there too for our last video, but yeah, here we go is our setup. I'm gonna go ahead and clean these off, and then our spray is right here, so we're gonna go ahead and get started. Well, we're out here after 2 coats, and I'm not sure if I like this stuff or what I'm really doing yet. I'm trying to figure this out as I go. But I mean, this is kind of what we're working with right now. It looks really like wet. I'm not really liking it. It's kind of interesting, I guess. I figured it was going to be more of like a spray paint, just psh, psh, whatever, but it comes out like a foamy liquid kind of thing. I don't know if I'm doing it wrong or what, but I'm going to keep going ahead with it. I'm going to throw down like the 6 coats or whatever that it recommends. That way, if I don't like it, I can just peel it off and buy something else. But for now, we're going to stick with this. Well, I just went ahead and I Googled this brand, because this is what they gave me at O'Reilly's. He told me this was going to be some good stuff or whatever. But I Googled it and I watched a YouTube video to make sure that this was coming out right. But in the YouTube video, they have it coming out like spray paint. So I'm a little concerned. I'm not sure if I got a bad can or what. But I have it in a bucket of hot water right now.Maybe it's, it's too cold for it or something. I have no idea. It's been sitting in my house for a couple days, so it should be fine. But yeah, I don't know. I'm going to let it heat up, and then I'm going to try to spray it again, and we'll see what happens. And, worst comes to worst, I'll just peel it off and redo it. But, yeah, I don't know. Something just does not seem right about this right now. So I'm going to go ahead and wait for that to warm up a little bit, and then we'll come back to it. Well, after I just sprayed that one, I have a feeling that the can was too cold for this, because that one went down a lot, like, not as straight liquidy as the other ones had. So I don't know. I'm just gonna wait to see. I'm gonna let this keep sitting in this hot water and see if it changes anything. We'll spray another coat. We'll spray another probably 2. And yeah, hopefully by then this will be enough to just peel it right off and then start fresh again, and hopefully the can is fixed. But who knows at this point. I just got my answer, guys. This can was way too cold because that one went down like it actually should have, like an actual spray paint. So I'm a little pissed off now, but yeah. Basically I'm just gonna wait, and hopefully I can just peel this off once it's dry. I'm not really sure. I'm kind of banking on that, but if not, I don't know what we'll do. We'll try to find some acetone or something. We'll take it off. But yeah, I'm not gonna waste any more of this can if I don't have to, so I'm just gonna wait about an hour. I'm gonna leave it in the sun. Hopefully it dries, and then I'll be ready to respray them the actual way. Guys, this is what it finished looking like. Yeah, I don't know if I like this really. I'm gonna go ahead and actually we're gonna go throw them in the truck right now. I went to Ace Hardware and picked up our extended U joint clip things, and then we got some bolts for it, so it'll bolt up. But we're gonna go test and see what they look like. If we don't like how they look like, I'm just gonna peel it off, and we're gonna go buy something different, and we'll see how that works. So I'll take you outside and we'll go do that now. So we are out here now. I went ahead and I just went through my dad's little collection and got some washers that fit this. Here's the bolts we're using, and here's our U-clip connectors. I got 6 of them in here because you need 3 for each thing, and they basically go right in here. There's a bottom one right there. It's nice and rusty, and then there's 2 up top there. Well, one's gone obviously because I took it off, but yeah, that's basically where we're working. You can see the harness was clipped up in there with the zip tie, so I got my clippers to cut that. And I almost forgot about our LED lights that we bought, so I went ahead and I threw my LED bulbs in there, and yeah, we're gonna roll with that now. So I'm gonna go ahead and just do this side really quick, and then I'll show you guys how to do the other side. Well guys, I couldn't just end the video there. I kind of forgot to film an outro as usual, so I'm gonna come back here and I'm gonna show you guys what exactly this looks like, because you guys can't really see otherwise, and that's kind of pointless. So as you can see, this is what the fog lights look like. They serve their purpose. Yes, I know the halos are out on that side. I have to mess with the wiring, I think. I'm not really sure what's going on with that, but that'll probably be fixed tomorrow, I hope. Otherwise I'm gonna have new headlights sent out. But yeah, that's what they look like now, and I think they look pretty good. I might remove the tint, might not, I don't know yet. I kind of like the look, I kind of don't, so it's a little back and forth. But with that being said, that is going to do it for this video, guys. If you did enjoy, make sure you drop a like down below. If you guys like this kind of content, make sure you guys let me know down below. It really helps out on what I do for content wise. But yeah, subscribe for more videos, and I will see you guys all in the next episode. Peace.